I've been in venture just shy of 10 years at two different firms. I got introduced to venture while I was in college. I grew up in a smaller rural area in eastern Washington state, went to school at BYU in Utah, had never heard of venture basically my whole life. I got to college and there was a student group called the University Venture Fund. It was about a 20 million real LPs and capital, and students ran the organization and were allowed to make investments in startup companies. So it was an internship type of deal that ended up changing the trajectory of my career. I got introduced to venture capital as an asset class, and I was exposed to this industry where you get to study a lot of different industries, invest in entrepreneurial and mission-driven founders, and then see how they succeed over time. I spent about 2 years investing in startups part-time at this university venture fund. When I graduated, I took the finance track. I started in investment banking and worked at Lazard doing tech M&A. And I was recruited to join Battery Ventures. That was my first foray into full-time venture career. I was there for a little under 2 years, investing in later stage enterprise software. We did a lot of vertical and horizontal SaaS investing. And then around 2017, I got approached by the two co-founders of M13 and had an opportunity to start a new life in Los Angeles with a new venture fund. For the last 7 years, we've been building a venture firm, starting from fund one, going through a few different funds now, and setting up a long-lasting venture franchise. It's been a crazy journey. I definitely empathize and sympathize with founders now that have had to raise capital